Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've got PCE, price, inflation, and numbers coming out any second now. We're just waiting for the numbers. We are actually green. It's a charting error on Robinhood. I'm up today because if you look at the Roth IRA, you can see I'm only in the S&P 500 and it's up. So from last night with great earnings from Microsoft and Google, I bought the dip yesterday. You saw me do it. I bought 10 shares. And some of you, well, Raman says I wouldn't buy it. It's too expensive, but I jumped in anyway, and it was a great move. It went up quite a lot as well. So we've got new all-time highs now. We've broken through 80,300, smashed it. So very, very exciting times at the moment. Now it's all about the next 1.5 minutes. This is what we're talking about. It could all go away again, but we shall see what happens here if we get good PCE. All right, the expectations is we won't, but we shall see in a couple of seconds where we end up. Let's see what happens. Just a few moments to go. All right, so we're watching, we're paying attention, and let's see how it goes. All right, we just got a few. Oh, starting to fall already. 1 minute to go. Market is preparing for a fall. Previous is 0.3, consensus is 0.3, forecast is 0.3. What we don't want to see is core PCE go up to 0.4. We did see personal spending increase, personal income, but the biggest one is the price index. We don't want to see these numbers go up. We want to see these numbers come down. Very least stay the same. Okay, just a few seconds away. We'll also bring Bloomberg into it as well. So we've got that. Bloomberg might just be a few seconds afterwards. 15 seconds. Let me try and do playback speed. Try and get up to date with that, even though we're live. Right, here we go. Any second now. 3, 2, 1. Let's have a listen in.
The scores going into it look like this. Beginning with equities positive by 0.7% on the S&P 500.
Zooming ahead.
Bouncing by 0.9%, encouraged by blowout earnings from Alphabet, from Microsoft. If you switch up the board and get to the bond market, yields going into this one have been elevated over the last month or so. The 2-year, just south of 5%. The 10-year, just south of 470. We are lower on the session by 2 basis points at 467.12.
Oh, that's okay.
With the economic data,
no, that's okay. 0.3.
Yeah. Good morning. Well,
markets are popping up.
Sort of
it didn't go up.
Predicted for the PCE inflation numbers. Both come in at 0.3%, the headline and the core on a month-over-month basis. We got to check that 3-digit number in just a second.
Price
on a
index.
year-over-year basis, the headline number is at 2.7. That's up from 2.5. The forecast was for 2.6, so a little bit more than expected. Same story for the deflator, the core deflator, 2.8% unchanged from the prior month. That is a little bit higher than anticipated, but not a huge move. It does show basically inflation is sticky and sticking around. Personal incomes up 0.5% as forecast. Personal spending, Lisa, you called this, 0.8%. The forecast was for 0.6. It was 0.8 the prior month. So Americans are still spending, gives more credence to the idea that the economy is strong. And with inflation where it is, this is certainly, I'm going to wager, this is certainly not going to change a lot of bond market thinking about when the Fed might cut rates.
Interested to see how the market responded to this. Straight away, spike in the equity market on the S&P 500. We're up by more than 1% now, up on the Nasdaq by 1.3. If you turn to the bond market, a rally started. Yields lower by 5 basis points on a 10-year, 465 on a US 10-year. Dollar yen still elevated for whatever that's worth, very close to 157 still at 156.85. Lisa, we've talked about this a few times, that sometimes with inflation, in line is like the new beat, or rather the downside surprise. When it comes to inflation, people are so spooked by the data yesterday that maybe the 0.3 is almost a relief.
Well
Yes.
said. I mean, I would just build on that by saying that if there had been an upside surprise, that was almost what this market was girding for. I wonder how long it's going to last, though. If this is a market that is fully internalized, what no rate hikes this year looks like. Because if what we are looking at right now, I love what Michael Pond said. You could strip out everything that isn't inflationary and you get 2%. But right now, you have to wonder at what point you're looking at the new reality. And I think more people are going to have to grapple with that in the weeks to come.
PCE this morning coming in at 0.3%. The estimate in our survey, 0.3%. Month over month. If you are just joining us, equities are a lot higher in the equity market right now on the S&P 500, up by something like 1 full percentage point. Encouraged by what we've heard elsewhere from Meta earlier this week. They were down, but the likes of Alphabet and Microsoft doing better than good in the pre-market this morning. If you turn to the bond market, yields are lower by 4 or 5 basis points at the moment on a 10-year, 4.66.
We understand what's going on.
On a 2-year, about 4.97, we're down 3 basis
we've
points at the
benefited
front end of the curve.
so far.
Mike, you've had some more time to go through this. What jumps out for you?
Well, I did look at.
There we go. So essentially what it is, we are kind of building in that we're not going to get any rate hikes this year, even though I still think we will. But then let's see what happens. And that's very, very difficult for speculative stocks that have debt. However, companies that are doing great, like Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, all the top ones there in the S&P 500 are doing well. Virgin Galactic actually has reacted upwards as well today. It's very strange because, I mean, basically, I think what this means is the way the markets are reacting is 0.3 is what we expected. Markets like to know where we stand. They don't like surprises. They like to be, just like I do, right? I invest expecting a certain outcome. I don't want surprises. I want to know, I want certainty. I want to know where the markets are going for me to make a decision. Does it make sense, me putting my money in the S&P, for example? These are the things I want to know. So what we've got this morning is we were expecting 0.3. If it had gone up to 0.4, that would have been a disaster. It would have been an awful day. Everything would have sold off. But having said that, would have been good because I could have bought lower. But ultimately, that would be bad because it means inflation is probably going to go up and rates might even go up. However, we got what we expected. So yes, inflation is sticky, but we are moving in the right direction. It's just taking longer. Now, that's a good thing for an investor like me because I'm able to buy more and more with a market that isn't growing massively. It's still buoyant. It's still doing well. The economy's strong. People are still spending money, which is good. So, people, like last night, we discovered they're still using Google and YouTube and all these things, and they're spending money, buying computers, buying phones, all the rest of it. But it just means that inflation is going to stay higher for longer. But overall, we're good today. Very, very nice indeed. I'm really, really pleased. Now, we're going to get some sell-off, though. Here comes a bit now, right? Because at the end of the day, it wasn't a reduction. So we got a bit of a pop. Now what we're going to get? Let's have a look. This is my portfolio. As you can see, we're up now. $80,000, 464. New all-time highs. Incredible stuff. Really, really great. Love it. So we're just waiting to see how all this levels out. At the moment, I've got a bit of a charting issue because, as you can see, I should actually. I'm showing up 0.89 on my Roth. On my main account, I should be up way over 1% because I've got $10,000 of margin. So I actually should be up. That chart is out of line. It's out. I mean, you can tell that by the balance. I mean, the balance is 80,500. So it's out of kilter at the moment. Anyway, let's see where we end up. Let's go through all our positions and welcome everybody into the show. Let's have a look. Who we got here? Good morning. How are you doing? I'm doing very well. Our guest over there on Twitch. Good morning to you. Lovely to have you here. Let me go and just look into Twitch. Did you become a subscriber yesterday? Let's have a look. Someone is a subscriber. Was that you yesterday? I've only got one subscriber on Twitch. Let me just refresh that. Let's have a look. Yes, here I am. This is Twitch this morning. I only have one subscriber. You can subscribe for free on Twitch using Amazon Prime, and it gives me a $3 a month tip. Doesn't cost you anything at all. And I've just got one subscriber over there at the minute, but thank you very much. I'm wondering if that's you this morning, this person here. How you doing? John, the party was fine then, just ended, the stream stopped. Yes, still having internet issues. I've got Spectrum coming out again today. It's becoming increasingly frustrating for me. My download speed is insane, but my upload speed is fine. But if it drops, I lose connection. And I think what they're not telling me, what I believe to be the case, is there's more people moving in the area and more people tapping into the system. And I think that's what it is. It's very frustrating. There's not an alternative. There's no other internet available. It is what it is. It's really, really frustrating. Let me measure my internet again at the moment. The trouble is, all of a sudden it drops and then it disconnects. That's what happened last night. Yeah, if I could show you my meter reading now, it's insane because I've got, look, I put it on the screen. Look at that. Oh, hang on a minute. Can I do that again? Hang on. Yeah, look, I'll drag it on the screen. Can you see that? Look, my download speed is 929. Completely ridiculous. Fantastic. I don't need download. I need upload. And that should be 40 and it's 22. So as you can see, it drops and then all of a sudden it disconnects and there's nothing I can do about it. There is no alternative. My AT&T, which is my backup internet, is much, much slower. So I can stream, but I can't upload anything with it, you know. Anyway, it's very frustrating. What can I do? Interesting, John. Lance Trainer, good morning. Got my cup. Picture coming soon. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Lance. As you remember, what's his name? He hasn't been in for a while. Yardstick. I emailed him. I can't get hold of him, unfortunately. But Yardstick bought Lance Strength a mug, and we sent it to him. If you may remember, Lance sadly lost his mother a couple of weeks ago, and we had a tribute evening for his mum, and we made a mug for him with his mum's face on it, a picture of his mum, and we sent it to him, and he's just received it. So that's what that's all about. So Lance, I'm really glad you got that. Morning, Lance, John, Mike. Hello, fantastic Friday for everyone. You may notice I'm not feeling very well today. I'm very under the weather. Life is difficult at the moment. Let's just say that. Life is difficult at the moment. So yeah, bit struggling this morning. Morning, Mobix. Congratulations, Martin. Thank you, mate. Seth Houston. Hi, Seth. Good morning, folks. How you doing? The economy is so strong. That's the problem. Hi, Vincent and Sebastian. Good morning, y'all. Just clean the money counting machine. Just clean the money counting machine. All right. Anyway, there you go. There is my portfolio this morning. I bought, as you know, 10 shares of the S&P yesterday, expecting Google and Microsoft to do well. And they did even better than expected. Even better than expected. So there you go. There's my balance. I mean, I am using margin, nearly $11,000. So my portfolio is being exaggerated up as it will be exaggerated down. My job now is to pay off that margin as quickly as possible. There you go. There's the sell-off coming now. Will it turn red? We are green at the moment. It was an okay PCE. We didn't get an increase, but it's the same, which means inflation is sticky. If we'd have got a 0.2 and inflation was coming down today, we'd have got a massive rally. Unfortunately, it's the same, but it just means the same as usual. But I think because last night, Google and Microsoft, Google now providing a dividend, which is phenomenal. I think Google now and Microsoft being big parts of the S&P are going to hold the market up. The economy is genuinely strong. The markets, though, are going to be potentially sideways, I'd say, for a while. Good morning, Wadey. Still think S&P will rise. Those companies are so strong now. The rules of the game don't apply no more. There you go, Sebastian. They've proved their resilience time after time. Good morning, Chris Schultz. Good morning, everyone. Call Elon. Ask them for a couple of satellites for the channel. Yeah, I mean, I can get Starlink. But Starlink isn't as fast as what I have now. But I don't know what to do. It's very frustrating, isn't it? Up 8 cents this morning with pre-market. PACB already today is profit. Fantastic. Congratulations to you. Hi, Chris. Oh, take the day off. Vincent Vosberg. I might take some time off today. Life is difficult right now. Yeah. Should I buy PACB now or what? Wait. Hi, Mike. I don't know. I think it will go higher. What's your opinion? What's my opinion? PACB. Let me have a look at it. Let's have a look. I've not looked at that for a while, have I? PACB, Pacific. Oh, didn't I cover this the other day? Didn't I cover PACB? Let me have a look. It sounds familiar. Have I just reviewed this? Martyn Lucas, PACB. Let's have a look. Did I? Oh, yes, I did. I reviewed it. There you go. I reviewed it just 7 days ago. PACB. Yes, we've got Kathy Wood buying in PACB. So I don't know if you saw my review. It's pretty brand new. It's only 7 days old, so it's very relevant. Share, copy. I would suggest War Height. You go and listen. You go and watch this. It might give you some more information. I've just reviewed it, so it kind of makes sense. There you go. There's your video. All right, I just reviewed it, so maybe it makes sense to go and have a look at that. Anyway. But what do I think about it today? Well, when did you buy it? A week ago? Did you buy it? Yes, you bought it here. This is when our review came out here. It was 130. It's up 140. It's up to 145 now. So you've made a decent profit, weren't you? You were here. Well, yeah. You what? Did you buy it here? Down 8%, and now you're up 2, 3. You've nearly made what you make on the S&P in a year. The 500 best companies in the world. Why would you not? Why would you not sell it? I mean, I don't know. It's still losing money. You've made a good profit. Consider selling it. I mean, that's the way I look at it. Are you buying it as a long-term investment? Do you really know the company? Do you feel comfortable owning it for 5 years? Or are you happy just taking that profit? Nothing wrong with that. Oh, I got another subscriber. All right. I've got 2 subscribers. I want to thank you for that. Let me give you my link to Twitch then. Let me give you my link to Twitch. All right. So for those of you that forgot, I mean, you don't have to do this, but if you want to, right. Hang on, I need to mute that. So here is my Twitch. Now, this is Twitch. It's provided by Amazon. If you've got Amazon Prime and you use your Prime membership, you can subscribe to me using Prime membership for free. And what it does, it gives me a $3, about $3, $3.20, something like that, a tip every month. So this is what you do. Look, let me share with you. The bottom of the screen, this is the see, manage your sub, gift a sub. You can sub, right, using Amazon Prime. So you just turn Amazon Gaming on. It's part of Amazon Prime. And you can subscribe to me for free on Twitch. Now, I need to just tell you, if you decide to do that, you have to do it manually. let me give you the link. There's my Twitch. I'll give it you 3 times so you can see it stand out. If you do it, because Amazon don't want to be paying for your subscriptions, you got to do it manually every month. So if you want to subscribe to me, then you've just got to manually do it. But there you go. So I can see it here. Look, we've got ETORO Tech, and I'm thinking that's who was it who just said they'd just done it? Michael N. I'm assuming ETORO Tech is Michael N. Oh no, that was 2 days ago. So that would be our friend from I'm assuming it's China. I don't know. Oh, there we go. MPN. That's Mike. I bet that's Mike. Michael N. MPN. There you go. Look, subscribe with Prime. It's completely free. And as you can see, I've got 2 subscribers. Now, what it does, it gives me a $3 tip, thereabouts. But what it also does is promote me on Twitch so we get a bigger audience here on YouTube and Rumble. It promotes the stream, what we're doing. So there you go. That's what it's all about. So thank you very much for considering it. I'll give you the link again if you want to do that. I never mention it because I don't like to ask, really. But anyway, you do enough things for me, and I just think I don't ask for that. But when someone does it, that's why I let you know. Anyway, Michael N. just subbed on Twitch. Thank you, Mike. Really appreciate it. I sell at 150 to 165. Good morning, Vuzzy. Good morning. Martin, life is supposed to be difficult. If it was easy, it wouldn't be worth the time. Yeah, yeah, you're right. PACB would be playground for money until news comes. Literally thought about that earlier with you not feeling well. I was like, you stretch yourself thin for everyone and you're going to get exhausted. And here you are, worn out. Take care of yourself. Yeah, I am. I'm not. Life is difficult at the moment. That's what I'm saying. Right? Yes, we did last week. Thought so. He always does that, Stacey. What do you think about Tilray? What do I think about? I'm not laughing at that. I'm laughing about Mike saying he always does. Yeah, I was made in England. I was built to last. I never give up. I'm always positive. I don't see negative in life, but negativity brings me down. That's it. I've always lived that way and always will. My dad was the same. My dad would never stop, never give in, always work. That's how I've been all my life, and I'm not going to change for anyone. So there you go. You got to keep moving forward. No point dwelling on anything. Anyway, keep going forward. So yeah, Mike says, yeah, he's always doing that. Absolutely. I was made in England. I was built to last, as Elton John says. Good morning, Martyn Lucas. Comments on Nicola. Thank you. William. William, are you a member of my channel yet? William, where are you? I don't see the comments when you're not a member so easily. Yes, no, you're not. No, you're not. But I will look briefly. I try to serve everyone as much as I can, but I have to focus on the members. I'm sure you can appreciate that. Nicola, 165. I cannot believe it came down so much, but it's not, of course, nothing like Fisker. Fisker right now is an all-out gamble. Nicola has some real growth and a real chance of survival. So, Nicola is a good stock at the moment, I believe. Right, we are now selling off. No surprise there. No surprise. I'm going to turn the studio green. I don't know if we are completely red, actually. No, we're not. We are green. I've got a charting issue. That chart is out of sync. This sometimes happens with Robinhood. The chart is out. I know I'm up. All right. So I know I'm up because the S&P's up, right? I'm only in the S&P, so all I've got to do is look at my S&P and know I'm up, right? Let me just go to it a second. Right, see? The S&P is up 0.5%. So I should be up like 1.5% because I've got $10,000 of margin. And yet I'm down. So even though it shows that, it'll probably correct itself on the bell. That's normally what happens. It's just out of sync. Robinhood really need to fix that. It's really not good. I mean, it could stress a lot of people out, couldn't it? You look at your portfolio and go, I'm down. And you're not, right? Anyway, Martin, cheer up, mate. It's not difficult. It's challenging. There is a difference. Hey, Stacey Bailey has gifted 5 memberships. Chris Schultz has won one. Please do thank Stacey Bailey. That's a wonderful gift. Stacey Bailey has just gifted 5 memberships. So if you've won a membership now, please do thank Stacey Bailey. Chris Schultz, there you go. Jan Lernby Jam. Please do that because Stacey Bailey has spent our hard-earned money and given you a membership. There you go. Jan Lernby Jan. Chris Schultz, Admiring Curling. Sebastian, Suresh Kumar. There you go, there's another one. Congratulations to you. Awesome stuff. That's courtesy of Stacey Bailey. Please do say thank you. She spent her hard-earned money to give you some perks and benefits there. That's wonderful. Now your comments will be highlighted. I can see what you're doing. There's another one, 0. How awesome is that? Oh, look at that. Happy Friday. Don't be trolls with the memberships. Oh, yes. That's very, very kind, isn't it? Shidoo-be-doo-doo-doo-be-doo, wah-wah-ba-doo-be-doo. I think we have one more. We'll celebrate it when it comes in. 0 has become a member. Yeah, very nice. Please do thank Stacey for that. I think we have another one. Thank you, says Wallright. You're very welcome. How do I adjust that? How do I adjust that? I'm trying to adjust this. I think we have another one. Let me just adjust this. Fly in from top. That's better. There we go. Try that again. There you go. That's better. Just made a slight adjustment there. I think that's it. I thought there was another one, but I may have missed it. I am a bit under the weather this morning. Anyway, there we go. Fantastic. A wonderful moment there. Do it for the little fellas. All right, let's do it for the little fellas, shall we? Here we go. Here come the little fellas. They and the little ladies this morning. There we go. Lovely stuff. There you go. There are our favorite friends this morning. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I love it. Let me fix this as well. I'm trying to fix things as I go now. Because if I don't fix them, look, things don't happen. That doesn't need to be labeled, so what do I do? Click there. Let's get rid of that title. There you go. That better? That's better. Fixed. Right. I I fixed it. Now then, we are actually green. The charting is out. Thank you again, Stacey. Huge support to my channel and a lovely gesture there to everybody. Now remember, if you win a membership, that gives you everything apart from the premium membership benefits. You can you can comment to the videos now, and I will reply back to you because you are a member. You can be in the members only streams, the members only live chats, and while your membership is there, and it only lasts for a month, you have to renew it. You can now go and see the members only videos. Members only videos, things that members get to see. There are members only live streams, members only videos. See these here, look, on the homepage of the channel. You can go back and see all these things now. Special videos that only members can see. What you don't get, however, is you can't ask me to do reviews at the moment. You can't ask me to do that, and because obviously you've got a free membership, and we have so many reviews, so you can't ask for a review, and you can't get Discord until you have your 1 month badge. Okay, so that means you've renewed it. So you get everything else, but you don't get the premium services until you renew it. But you can have all the other features like members only videos, live streams, comments, polls, all those things. All right. Prayers your way. Oh, hang on a minute. I don't want that doing that. I don't want that coming down there. Why is that doing that? I want that. That wasn't supposed to do that. That was supposed to fly in from the left. Fly in from the left. No. That's not supposed to do that. Fly in from the left. Let's try that again. There you go. That's better. We will make it if you miss a day or 2 or 3. Let Mike take over with his ego. It'll be fine. Seriously, rest and get your vibrations back up, friend. That's very kind of you. I got ego, Stacey. Yeah, he has. You've all noticed it, right? You've all noticed the ego of Mike. I buy 130, 135 and sell between 150. Very good. Sorry, ego. What did she say? Tilray bought at 3. Thoughts? You bought at 3. Look, let me be clear. Tilray, in my opinion, it's a $40 stock once we have full legalization and everything is up and running. I do expect to see that happen this year. I do expect not to see $40 this year, but I do expect to see the full legalization because I think it's a vote winner. I think the government will get it done for the election. So I think this is going to rally. I think this is a period of time. Interest rates are high. That's not good for Tilray. They're borrowing money. It's a sleeping giant. I do prefer SNDL, though I think that's got a better value. However, there's no doubt about it. It's going to get there in time. It's going to get there in time. Tilray Brands will be a stock in time. I've got no issues with that at all. Very confident of that. But it just takes time. Now, are you prepared to wait? You might have to wait a year for it to move. But I think in November, we'll get a big boost. I'm sure of that. Anyway. Good morning, everyone. Ha ha, Sebastian. If even half your subscribers on YouTube done that on Twitch, you'd get 30 grand a month. I know. You'd be a millionaire. No, I know. I've often said that. It would be, I know. but you know, let me give the link again. Right, there is Twitch. Let's see who wants to do it. Right? So essentially, what that... Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, I've got to change my account a minute. Let me just do this. So basically, if you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe to a Twitch channel for free using Amazon Prime And essentially, it's free. It's completely free. I mean, Amazon pay for it. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You're allowed to subscribe to one channel for free. So all you do is go to Amazon Prime, you turn your gaming on, or just go on to Twitch, go onto my link, and if you try and subscribe and you can't, it will just say, do you wish to subscribe? And you go, yes, turn on Amazon Gaming, Prime sub, blah, 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 and it'll all work. Yeah. The only thing is, it doesn't do it manually, and people forget. They go, oh, yeah, mine, I want to do that. I'll help you out. They do it, and then they forget. So I used to have, at one point, I had about 20 people, and they forgot. And I don't ever mention it, because you do so much for me, I don't mention it. The only reason I've mentioned it today is because someone subscribed to me, and they came into the chat, so I wanted to thank them, then that's when I mentioned it. All right, so just know that. I'm not asking you to do another thing. But it's good if you do. All right, there's the link. All right, okay. I've changed my account now to the right account. All right. Anyway. So yeah, he's right. Even if only half did it, you'd be a millionaire. Yeah, I know. I'll set it up when I'm finished work. That, Leon, that's very nice of you. Thank you very much. That's very nice of you. Yeah, can you imagine? Can you imagine if 11,000 subscribers did it? Yeah, I'd be a millionaire in about a week, and it wouldn't cost anybody anything. Can you imagine that? Yeah. More Ed Nevius. Martin, you and Leah need to take a break and just get away and reset. I know. Not had a break now for 2 years. I don't know when it was last. I recommend a Tilray station for relaxation when it's open. A Tilray station. Mike, you need to do better. Keeping the negative trolls out. I blame you. John Granfor. Haha, Chris, I wonder what Fisker will do today. Let's have a look, shall we? Shall we have a look at Fisker? Let's have a look. Fisker. Why are my eyes not working? I normally see it straight away, but my eyes are burning. There we go, Fisker. It's up today. It hasn't really moved since yesterday. We've got 25 minutes for the bell. There it is. 6 cents, up 1.43 today, pre-market. But that's from last night, really. Hasn't really moved this morning. Chris Schultz, morning. Did I miss it already? Did you answer about Trump media? That one guy. Did you answer about Trump media? I wasn't asked a question. So I've no idea about Trump media. What's the question? I don't know. Good morning, Lucas Aids. Hollow is up 10%. We need the negative trolls to know we don't want to become like them. It's a good thing. That's right. Oh yeah. Did you see this last night? So last night, where do I begin? Last night, stock twits, and I mentioned this before. Some of you say, why do you bother with stock twits? Because I learn about people. This is where I learn about what's being shorted to give to you more than you get anywhere else, because I can see the negativity, the aggression. And whenever you get that, that's when you know there's something going on, right? So, notifications. So let me just share with you. This is the sort of stuff that goes on in my world, right? That's nice. Liked your message. Could you do a video on PHE, please, mate? My reviews are for YouTube members only. Sorry. Otherwise, I would love too. All right, just replying to that person there. Very nice. Okay, that's nice. Some followers, likes. This is all good. I put some information out, likes, nice. People put nice comments. Somebody liked that, that's good. Right, scroll on down. Okay. This is this a response? Not that one there. Like that one there. Subscribe to your post. Mike S. That's not you, is it, Mike? Nice like there. Another like there. That's good. See, I've got to remember all the likes. So here it is. I think I'm just coming up to it now. There you go. I just watched. This is the sort of stuff that I get. So I wish I could hide that word, but there you go. I just watched that. See, that's the sort of stuff I get from very angry people who swear and horrible. I mean, horrible. You go and look at this person and he's a nobody. He's got no followers or any, no one cares. But anyway, but nevertheless, you get that. There's a comment down here. Quit liking your own posts. I love how people like to tell me how to run my life. Quit liking your own posts. You're on social media with no followers. No one cares what you say. And yet you're telling me not to like my posts. I like my posts because it's OCD. I just like clicking all the likes. And two, I just like what I do and it's positive. Right? So, but then you get people like this go, quit liking your own posts. This person here said, produce essential insights and up your production value. I don't know how anyone could increase my production value, and you'll very quickly receive more subs. Spamming has the opposite effect. And change that stupid photo of yourself. Had to unfollow you on X because of your constant spamming. I'd like to explain the definition of spamming. Spamming is when you post excessively on other people's channels. In other words, you go and you invade people's spaces. You go and reply to everybody with your comments. You invite everyone. You follow everyone just so they'll follow you and then unfollow them. That's follow for follow. That's spammy. Commenting on people, giving them links to your page, promoting yourself on their content. That's spamming. How the hell do you spam your own content? How is it spamming when I put my videos on my profile? My videos are information on the stock that I'm talking about. That is my contribution to social media. That is my content. It's not spam. Absolutely not. It's my channel, which you're following. And he says spamming has the opposite effect. So if I up my production value, if I improve the production of my, if I improve my studio and make this better quality and the production goes up, I'll get more subs. This guy's probably got none. I gain 1,000 a week. And anyway, and get rich and change that stupid photo of yourself. Well, it is a picture of me and it's my video. So it's done so people know it's me, and it's called familiarity as well. It's the image I use so people know it's me, and that way they can not watch if they don't want to, or they can watch if they want to. That's the point of it being a picture of me. It's me doing the video. And then he says, I had to unfollow you on X because of your constant spamming. Unfollow me then. Do you know how many times CNBC and Bloomberg post a day? Thousands. Thousands of times a day, Bloomberg, CNBC, and all the rest of it. Anyway, so you can't spam your own channel. I mean, that's like saying the movie channel is spamming movies because they have 1 million movies a day. You can't watch them all. You're not supposed to watch them all. You're supposed to go out and have a life, but you're supposed to watch some of them, right? You can't watch them all. But so, you know, if you look at if you follow Bloomberg and CNBC thousands of times a day, and if you turn on every notification, you'll get thousands of notifications. Some people want to know what's going on with their stocks. You choose what you want to watch. You don't like it, you don't have to call me an idiot. You don't have to say, get rid of my stupid picture. You just don't watch. I mean, there's a suggestion for you. So what I did, I put on my X account, along with all my spamming, along with me putting about plug on my own channel, along with me putting Mobix on my own channel, along with all of that, I put a message. And this was my message I put out last night. 16 hours ago. Why can't I see it? I put a message out. Where is it? I put a post. Oh, yeah. There we go. So I put this out last night in response. A message to a troll and those who spread hate and unpleasantness. My members make money, laugh, and have fun. I gain 1,000 subscribers every week, double growth rate every month, 98% of my live viewers are members, highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. In 3 years, gone from 5,000 to 80,000 live on air. So if it's all the same to you, I'll carry on being me. You do you. When they attack you, you know you're doing it right. All right. So anyway, here endeth the lesson. Let's come back to here. Stacy, we need negative trolls. Yes. Will Tesla go down today? Probably, because Meet Kevin just bought several $1 million worth. So let's look at Tesla as I go down the comments. Yeah. Tesla's $110 in my opinion. Thank you. You're very welcome. Please thank Stacey Bailey if you want a membership. It cost her a lot of money. Anyway, let's scroll down. 40 more people need to smash the like button, back out of the chat, smash it and come back on in, friends. Do it for the little fellas. Stacey Bailey, it would be a problem in a world without trolls. How would we bunch of nice people, friendly people pop out otherwise? That's a good one. That's true, that's a good one. I like that. If we didn't have horrible people, ignorant, silly, horrible, trolly people, then the nice people wouldn't stand out. Imagine it. Yeah, imagine if everyone was nice. It'd be boring, wouldn't it? Everyone's nice. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. You need the nice people to make you feel good because of the horrible people. You're right there. Hi, Martin. Could you please review a stock therapeutic? Vishal, I don't see you in the chat. I only see them. Only the members. Oh, you are a member, Vishal. Let me explain about the reviews. I can review a stock for you for free. It's one of the many perks, not only one of the many perks you get as a member. However, at the moment, I'm not adding any more to the list because I've got too many free reviews to do. If you want to, though, you can super chat me and it jumps the queue and I can do it for you. If you super chat me under $5, it will be at the bottom of the list and it will get done in the next few days. If you super chat me, if you super chat me, I'm just looking on the list. If you super chat me, where is it? If you super chat me above $5, it will be at the top of the list. Second, because I've got Vincent Vosberg, who's got one at $10. If you bid $11, it'll be the next one I do. And if you bid, and this has only ever happened twice, it's very, very rare. If you want a full extended review, and I'll also get Sensei to do chart technical analysis and full production and done immediately, and I mean immediately, that's $100. So that's how it works. Okay. Now GoDB, was it GoDB? Sensei has now done your chart analysis for Raytheon. You remember you asked me to do Raytheon? Anyway, kind fun to Mrs. Either trolls, I guess, make us appreciate how nice we really are. What no reviews? You must be sick. Stacey Bailey, Martin, they can get reviews. That's right. They can. Kind of fun. No mess with trolls, I suppose. Make us appreciate how nice we really are. Good morning. All can my comments be seen? That one guy, yes, I can see your comments. I'm looking right at your comment right now. You're on the screen. I wish someone's name was blue shirt guy. Random thoughts. Why do you think that? How you come up with these names? Please be nice, members. Mike is always monitoring and watching. Oh, good morning, Craig. Tilray is a time ticker. What about the price prediction of Tilray? $40. Good afternoon, James. I am the Troll Slayer, James 007. Don't block me, Mike. He won't do that. A year, all I need, more and more positions until then, Tilray. Mike, I switched schools a lot in my younger years, and I was called that, Sebastian. Good afternoon, admiring. I thought I bought at 3. Keep buying, averaging down. That's right. Things look nice and green, and and that's for a Friday. Yes. Thanks, Stacey, for the gift. There you go. Try Relaxation Station. Good business name. Go with it. This is the best YouTube live channel in the world. Join the Lucas Age. Become a member today. How's the market looking? It's looking good. Looking good. We're looking at Tesla at the moment. My portfolio is up, though. Let me bring you back to here. We've got 10 minutes before the bell goes. 80,290. I bought 10 shares of the S&P yesterday. Oh, hang on. What's this?
Vincent Vosberg donated $10 through a super chat. BS, I am next.
He's going, no way. I'm definitely next. Vincent Vosberg, I am absolutely next. I love that. Vincent, I like that. There's no way I'm losing my place. Keep doing what you're doing, Martin. Thank you, Ed. I can't even like on StockWits anymore. I like too much and they stop me. Yeah, look at that. Mike got banned for being positive. See, I joke about it, but deep down inside, that really upsets me. If I'm honest, right? That is upsetting. Let's be honest. Mike got banned on StockWits for liking things. Not liking your own post is not liking your own jokes. And trust me, I like my own jokes. Sometimes I can't even tell them because they are so good. I can't stop laughing. That's right, mate. What is wrong with that? If you laugh at your own jokes, I don't see a problem with that. I think that's great. Thanks, Stacey, for your gift. Wonderful. I appreciate everyone saying that. I'm not a member of StockWits. Just pop on for a quick nosy sometimes to see what people are saying. It's a bit weird, but I don't really care. No, don't worry about it, mate. I talk to myself all day. There's no one really here, right? There's only a camera lens. I spend my whole day talking to you. and you're not even here. Not really. Not in the studio anyway. You're really there, I know, but not in the studio. So I spend my whole life talking to myself. I've probably said more things to myself than I have to somebody. Think about that. That's a fact. Don't even give them your time, Martin. They ain't worth it, mate. Keep doing what you're doing. Great show as always. Daniel Dennehy, thank you, mate. Martin, I like how you started your message with a message to a troll. I didn't know what to say. A silly person, an ignoramus. Breakfast Bar Martin, one for Fight Channel to make a video on. Breakfast Bar Martin, one for Fight Channel to make a video on. Let's have a look. Breakfast Bar. Let's have a look. Hey, what's this? Where did you find all these pictures? Crack. When Marty met Barbie. Oh, that's brilliant. Look at this. Look what Craig's just done here. When Martin met Barbie. It had to be you. Had to be you. There you go. Look at that. He's cut me out. I love it. I'm playing in someone's house there somewhere in the world. Look at that. There's thank you very much for that. 7 minutes to go. 7 minutes to go. How's it going to open today? Just wasted 3 minutes of your time for no. Just wasted 3 minutes of your time for no reason. Ivo Penkin. I don't think I wasted 3 minutes of my time. I'm talking to people. Oh, GoDB, lovely. You've seen it. Right. So it was on Sensei show. GoDB, hold your horses. It was on Sensei show last night. He did it in the Microsoft show. So I'm going to download that video and put it together as your own technical video. All right? And I'm going to put that together for you. So stand by. That's what I promised I would do, right? Sensei did it for you, but I'm also going to give you make it into your own video. So it's easier for you to watch. Otherwise, you've got to scroll through Sensei's Microsoft from last night. Okay? So I'll make sure I do that. Just wanted you to know. Martin, you really worry too much, mate. Told you yesterday, bad for the hair, and let's be fair, the margin is not on. Dear trolls, have a nice warm cup of shut up. Dear trolls, have a nice warm cup of shut the burp. I love that. I like that, Ed. Don't feed the trolls, Ed. Oh, my old buddy, Craig, well said. Cheers. Is there such a thing as a National Troll Day? Yes, there is. I just made it up. Let's get dollar super chats. Let's get dollars. Vincent Vosberg wants everyone to super chat, so he gets NVTS up on the list. Lovely. I'll check it out. I'll get that video done for you first, though. Good morning. Good morning. Don't feed the trolls. Get them wet or put them in direct sunlight. Happy Friday, everyone. Momo the Great. Friday phone in half an hour. The Friday phone in. Yep. Sebastian, that one guy for me, it was just somebody called me Sebastian, and that was that. The world is sad, unfortunately. My roommate got fired from her Jersey Mike's job because she called health inspector and was complaining about roaches, but they didn't care and fired for complaining. Oh my gosh. They fired her because she complained about the roaches. I'm glad she did. I wouldn't want roaches in Jersey Mike's, would you? It's where we get our food. The older you get, the more you find to talk to yourself. Anyone else like NVTS? Vincent Vosberg's going, anybody? Thank you so much. No worries. My pleasure. This weekend will be the first weekend when they teach folks how to buy DJT. Trump rallies, demand. If you need to teach people how to buy Donald Trump stock, then there's a problem there, right? I'm just saying, if people are that ignorant that you put on a rally to teach people how to buy Donald Trump's stock specifically, then there's an issue there with your own. You shouldn't be doing it. If you are an investor and you buy the stock market and you invest, you know how to buy any stock. You don't need Donald Trump to say, oi, you person who knows nothing. Don't worry about the stock market. Don't worry about fundamentals, balance sheets, charts. Don't worry how the internet works. Don't worry how the stock market works. This is how you buy my stock. I mean, buying a stock is not buying merchandise. Buying stock is a business intellectual investment. It's not buying a t-shirt to support your fan club. If you want to support Donald Trump, buy his hat, t-shirt, donate money, do what you want. Go to a concert, go to a rally, buy a ticket. Don't buy the stock unless you understand the stock market, all right? And you don't want Donald Trump telling you how to buy his stock specifically. That would not be a good way to go. And I'm not biased to any way whatsoever. I'm completely neutral. I can't vote. I'm not one way or the other. I'm just simply saying you do not want Donald Trump or Joe Biden telling you to buy their favorite stock. If they want to say, buy my t-shirt, support my campaign, that's fine. But saying buy my stock when people don't know about that would be Popper Pow. That would be a really, really bad idea. Time to refill my loving it mug. Yo, I didn't sell FSR yesterday. I am today though. I absolutely would agree. Sell it, take profit. Sad face. No, don't be sad. You made 50% since yesterday. Take it. It's 5 years on the S&P. Do it. 1 minute to go. I'm ready to buy SMX. Hi, Martin. Tell me how it is. When you release a video about Plug Power on the same day, there'll be videos showing how terrible this company is. Hi, Martin. Tell me how it is. When you release a video about Plug Power on the same day, there'll be videos showing how terrible this company is. Yeah. I had a dream that Fisker went over 75 cents. 30 seconds to go. Can you show your holding and love the content? Yes. This is my portfolio. This is all my real money. Right. 35 seconds to go. Are you ready? The bell is ready. We're excited. System audio, sound effects. Turn that down. Get ready. 15 seconds. Are we ready to rumble? Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I couldn't hold the bell. All right. We're getting a negative reaction to the markets. Let's see where we're going. This is my overall portfolio. I'm actually up. It's a charting error. I've got 80,191. I'm actually up, but it's the charting error, and it's obviously going to reset by the end of the day. Sometimes it's the calibration of Robinhood is out. I'm actually up, so it's not a concern. Right, here we go. I'm actually up, but the calibration, the line is out of sync. It happens sometimes. Virgin Galactic, 84 cents. Down she goes. Palantir, up today. Let me look down at Fisker. I'm going to go through the entire list now. Fisker it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down 5%. That was your chance to sell it. Gold, up. The S&P is up, just pulling back. Amazon is up today, pulling back. Apple is going down. Next Era Energy, up today, 0.31. Enphase Energy, 2.52. Coca-Cola, down, but moving up. J&J, defensive stocks, going down. Good buy at this level. Kenvue, going down. Chevron, up today. We've got the earnings today. I was calling it, but now the internet guys are coming back at 10 o'clock. They're ruining my show again. 2 days in a row now. Tesla. Tesla is down. I think it's going to 110. Meet Kevin bought millions of dollars of it today, last night, or he said he did. Doesn't show his account like I do, but there you go. So you don't really know, do you? Rivian, McDonald's down, Google up today, just pulling back a little bit. Microsoft also up, just selling off a bit. People taking profit. I expect things to turn around. We're seeing Fisker now down nearly 10%. Look at that. You bought it at 2, you sold it at 6, you made a really, really great profit. You could have bought it at 2 and sold it at 10 last week. It's going back down again. I think Henrik Fisker, it was just an announcement to get everyone to, maybe him, directors, pump and dump, get out. It's going straight back down again. I think that's great that everyone's taking their profit. Just remember though, when you sell, someone's left holding the bag. There will be people who don't sell it, they'll be holding it. Walmart going up. Don't let it be you though. Tilray going up. Robinhood going down with the market. That's what it always does. IonQ. We've got the earnings coming up soon. Up but pulling back. Rocket Lab is going up today. Very nice indeed. The overall markets are now coming down. Plug Power is up. 242. Rumble is up. Funware is up. Faraday 4 cents. The whole company now is under $2 million. I have no idea how this exists on the stock market. I don't know how it's remaining on the market. Just don't understand it. Rio Tinto, Bitcoin. What about the halving? Nothing happened, did it? Again, the halving was, well, because it happened before, it's going to happen again. Anyway. There we go. Just reading the comments here. Polygon down 2.44, XRP, and Pacific Biosciences. I was asked to look at that this morning. If we go back here, Google's holding up. I think Sensei, Chris Schultz, I think there was a mistake. I don't think Sensei meant to hide your comment. Chris Schultz, you made a comment. War hype might be an opportunity. Keep an eye there. Chris Schultz was hidden by Sensei. I think it was a mistake. I don't think Sensei did that on purpose. I just want to let you know, Sensei, in fact, Sensei isn't even in the chat. I wonder what happened there. Let me have a look. Have we got a hacking? Sensei's not in the show over there. I might have to keep my eye on this. Sensei's not in the show, but Sensei just apparently hid one of the posts. So I'll keep my eye on that. Anyway, Chris Schultz, we apologize for that. There's no problem with your comment. You'll be back up again in a minute. No, there's more Fisker. I'm not going to sell yet. No, there's more to Fisker. I wouldn't either. Oops, Fisker back up. Let's have a look. Let's go and have a look to Fisker. It went off this morning, a big sell-off. Let's have a look. I think if you can make 50% profit in a stock that could go bankrupt, you're daft not to. But anyway, that's my opinion. I mean, I'm always looking for the profits. If you make profit, you never lose. Right? I mean, it's straightforward. If you always think there's more on it, how did that happen, Mike? I don't know. Chris Schultz got hidden by Sensei, and Sensei is not even in the chat. So I'm not really sure quite know what happened there. Anyway, halving results could take months. Riot platform is a bullish platform, G. Carter says. BDRX. Ed Nevius is doing scalp trading this morning. Ed Nevius is doing more scalp trading on Discord. Go and check that out. Fisker may merge with a major automaker. It may, but looking at the history, I don't know. I'm not convinced. I think they put the news out. for one final chance, but there's no actual evidence of anything happening other than what we already know. It's just the last ditch attempt before. I mean, basically, we've got like 25 days left to go before the company's bankrupt. That's it, finished. So you put a bit of news out saying that, you know, we're in talk to somebody, everyone buys the stock and it pumps and then you dump it. We've seen that happen over and over again with Mullen. Now, I'm not saying that Henrik Fisker is a scammer like Dave Mitchery from Mullen. He's done it 6 times. But Henrik Fisker has been bankrupt a couple of times. We can all make mistakes. As you know, I went bankrupt once. I made myself bankrupt. Nobody made me bankrupt. I did it myself. But we all make mistakes once. But to do it twice, 3 times, 4 times, like Dave Mitchery, I mean, Donald Trump's been bankrupt many times. He uses it as a tool. I don't think it's right. I think once is fine. You learn from it. But it's like being divorced 10 times. You know, you get divorced once, you learn your mistakes. That's it. Get divorced 10 times, then maybe you're not learning anything. That's all I'm saying. Right, Friday phone in. I'm here, Mike. Are we getting a Friday phone in today? I hope so. We have been hacked. I hope not. Let me call Sensei. Let me send Sensei a message. Was you in the chat this morning as you hid a comment but didn't see you? Ah, yes, Sensei is in the chat. That's good. Yes, he is. Okay. You hid a comment. I thought you had been hacked as couldn't see you as the comment was fine. Just checking if you did that. Okay, let's see. Sensei apparently is in the chat. Or he was in the chat. Oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Now I'm looking up and now I can see him. I was texting Sensei here. Look, and then there he is. All right, there you go. All right, it was a mistake. So sorry. Just saw it. So we're all good. Everyone's good. Keaton S. Was you? How uncouth, Martin? Hey? Keaton S. 1 year badge. He's been a member for 1 year. How are you, Keaton S? I'm not sure I understand. Sensei, you've done it again. Sensei, you've done it again. Chris Schultz was, unhidden. There we go. I apologize. Unhidden. Oops. I thought he did it again. Right. Fisker's going down. D down 10% now. Let's go back to the main markets a minute. I'm actually up. I'm green. As you can see, 80,000. I'm actually very up. It's because the charting error on Robinhood. It's basically the chart's correct. The calibration is out. The calibration, that whole line should be lower. I should be up. So I am actually green. It happens sometimes on Robinhood. So anyway, I'm here, says Mike. Everything's fine. Trump making big announcement on Truth next week. Video added to the platform. I'm on Truth. I'm on the Truth social. I've told everybody. I have a Martyn Lucas account and a Martyn Lucas Investor account. I don't use it. I started by using it and it doesn't work. It doesn't work because it's just everybody ranting about Donald Trump. There's no healthy conversation. And it's just It's just ranting and shouting at each other. And no one actually engages in anyone. Everyone just shouts for themselves. It's like a load of people just edge of a cliff shouting over the sea and not talking to the person next to them. And what everyone does, everyone follows everybody and everyone follows everybody back. So it's pointless. You've got everybody with thousands of followers and there's no engagement. It's completely useless, completely pointless. And I tried it. People just follow you to follow you back, and it's like give everybody $1 million, everybody 1 million followers, and then we can all go home. It's like that. It's not healthy engagement. Otherwise, I would use it. What did I do, Mike? It's a mistake, I think, Stacey. Yeah, Virgin Galactic down. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic. SPCE, 84 cents. Yep, going back down again. Tilray is up. DXYZ halted. Mr. Nandel. Ed Nevius will be covering all the scalp trades on our Discord server this morning. Lots of trades going on, and with Ed Nevius this morning. Tilray is pumping up. Nice. There you go. Nice. Very good value this morning if you bought that, by the way. Hello, here is Sensei. Oh, not go bankrupt and sell your company. That is also a very great option that most do. Or not go bankrupt and sell your company. That is also a very great option that most do. That's a very complex subject. I need to know all the ins and the outs. How's you? How uncouth, Martin? Keaton S. No idea what that means. Keaton S does say some strange things from time to time. We do have like a bit of a backwards and forwards conversation, but that's good. Healthy family. We have disagreements. We have conversation. But I don't know what Keaton S was saying. He's been a member for a year. I'm taking my dog to the vet. I'll be out this morning. Oh, we wish you the very best. Maybe it's just a routine thing though, right? It's a good thing. Zach Zate's off to the vet. We wish you the very best. Anyone in Mobix? Mobix, we just put a review out, analysis on it. All good. Things happen. Sorry, Chris. No worries at all. Well, thank you. Keaton S, I have no idea what's going on. You said, was you in the chat earlier to Sensei? Atrocious grammar. It should have been were you. I am, of course. Oh, bloody hell. Bloody hell, Keaton S. He's picking. What the hell? Were you? Was you in the chat? Okay, well. After all that, we come down to some grammar. Thank you, Keaton S, for keeping me on the straight and narrow. I appreciate it. Misuse of power. Oops, ego takes over. Right, I'm up too. Ramen, I ever wonder how further up I can go. Happy anniversary to me. Happy anniversary. And me, it's not my anniversary. Is it your anniversary? Is it your wedding anniversary today? Congratulations to you, Keaton S. How many years married today? You should give Truth another go, Mike. A lot more people on it using it now. Will only grow this year. Okay, I'll have a look at it. Crag, you were right about Rumble. You were dead right about Rumble. Rumble is now growing faster for me than YouTube. Yes, it is. Habak says, who is Meet Kevin? And why are you always talking about him? Who's Meet Kevin? Meet Kevin's one of the biggest financial channels on YouTube. He has nearly 2 million subscribers. So he's quite a big deal. He ran for governor of California. It's quite a big deal. I mean, if you've got nearly 2 million subscribers on YouTube, you're one of the biggest financial channels in the world. So being a financial channel, I like to keep my eye on it. VAR Energy, quarterly dividend, 3% going out in 20 minutes. Real goat herder. Look at this, look. I'm growing faster on YouTube, on Rumble now, than I was on Google at this when it first started to grow. Just want to say. So I want to say to Crag, thank you very much for getting me on Rumble. I'm earning about $1.50, maybe $2 a day. Do you remember when I started earning money on YouTube? It was about $1 a day. So I am actually doing slightly better on Rumble when it first started. So who knows where it will all end? Anyway, YDYXL halted. Why? Ed Nevis will tell you that in Discord. That's where they're doing the scalp trading. $10 up to date alone to start. Very nice, Martin. We should compare warrants to the stock of the S&P. Could be interesting for a show. Just an idea. I would like to learn about it. Does anyone know anything about warrants? I've never done it. I've never done options, never done warrants, never done anything of the like. I like to keep it simple. I just buy the stocks, buy the companies. That's my style. I've never bought warrants. I don't even know what it is. I can find out. Maybe you want to call in. Tell me all about it. Maybe someone could teach me. Maybe Ed. Maybe Sensei. I don't know. Who's going to teach me all about it? Happy anniversary to us. I see. You got your 1 year badge. Okay. Yes, thank you. Congratulations. Now, Keaton S. 1 more year to go, and you'll have your 2 year badge, and then you get the VIP club. We have a special club with live meetups, special stuff for the VIPs. Once you have a 2 year badge, you can join the very exclusive VIP club. All right. So remind me of that as we get nearer the time. Okay. You want to make sure that you're in the VIP club, right? Whoa, Tilray jumped. Yes, indeed. Doing nicely. Let's have a look at it. Wrap. Now then, do we have any ASTI? Do we have any ASTI investors? ASTI. ASTI, the CEO of the company, is coming back on my show. As you know, I have a Meet the CEO series. And CEOs can be on my show. There is a fee, a price to be on my show. There is an element of negotiation in that, though. And I negotiated a deal with ASTI, and they are on my show. They're coming on. They haven't confirmed the date yet, but they've paid their fee, and they'll be on the show. Just so you know. All right. Fantastic. I would like to know as well, shame ages, everything is up a minimum 3%. Right now, my portfolio, great. I'm in ASTI. John Granfort, me, Kevin B, Shay, yes sir, yes sir. So we're going to get some very good information from the CEO of ASTI. Obviously, everything is fine with the company. They wouldn't be paying me to be on the show and talk about it, would they? All right, so obviously it's going to be fine. Snap is going crazy today. I think Wrap is going to security companies, says... what do you mean, Radiant? Look at Tilray go. We are actually green. The chart is out. Let me share with you. Let's go for all our positions right now. Have we got any links for YouTube? There you go. Look at this. New all-time high. 80,384. I started at $5,000 nearly 3 years ago. At the end of June, it will be our 3rd anniversary. Am I going to make $100,000 by the time we get to June? I don't think so. All right, I don't think so. But, you know, I've got some margin to pay off. So that, obviously, I've used margin. Wow, there you go. Really flying now. So as you can see, my margin, I'm using $10,000 of margin. So effectively, I've got $10,000 to earn on YouTube. This is my job, to earn as quickly as possible and then pay back the margin as quickly as possible. So effectively, my balance will go to 90,000 just by paying the margin off. Okay, I've got to pay back the margin. That's the stocks I already own. So effectively, I've got a $90,000 portfolio, but I haven't because I haven't paid the margin off yet. If that makes sense, I hope it does. Wow, was it the right thing to do to buy the S&P yesterday? You betcha. You bet ya. We got a good earnings from Microsoft and Google. It was expected. It was anticipated. The stock, the S&P went down after Facebook, and Facebook did a beat. People sold off, and it was my opportunity to buy the dip, and I bought 10 shares of the S&P. One of the biggest single purchases of the S&P I've ever made, and it was the right thing to do. Now I'm reaping the rewards of that, as you can see, and it's really going up quickly. 80,510. Ay. I've never had $80,000 in my entire life. That's the richest I've ever been. I've never at any point had more money than that in the bank. I've earned $1 million a year with one night in Vegas, but it cost me like $2 million a year. But I've never had $80,000 in my hand. I could sell all my shares today and have $80,000. Anyway, I think RAP is going, and I'm happy I'm not down on ETH. I'm happy I'm not down on ETH. I saw 90,000 by June and 100,000. I saw 90,000 by June. Yeah? 90,000 by June. April, May, June. Yeah, 90,000 by June. Yeah, because I'm going to be obviously earning money on YouTube, paying it back. Plus, it's going to rise. Yes, 90,000 by the anniversary. Absolutely 100,000 by the end of the year. There's no doubt of that. No doubt of that at all. Radiant, Smile, bought out. Okay, let's go back and have a look. Virgin Galactic is still selling down. There is no Friday phone-in today, unless, of course, there is a Friday phone-in, but Zachze, our regular, isn't phoning in today. I've got to start mentioning Rumble more and more often. Look, I'm growing faster on Rumble than I am on YouTube at the moment. Look at that, 22 watching now. I'm actually growing faster on Rumble now than I did at YouTube at this stage. Very, very exciting. I want to thank you all for that. And the reason is, I'm now, if you look on my channel, I'm now uploading, hang on, how do I get to the videos? I'm now uploading all the videos. It does take some time, but I am now doing it. And let's have a look if I'm on the homepage today. Donald Trump is all over. Matt Corslet, the fight continues. That's now top picks on Rumble. Of course, we know Rumble have taken that position to go very political. That's the one thing I don't like about Rumble. But then, whatever. Live. Let's see if I'm on the financial page. There's finance. There I am. I'm third from the top. There you go. I'm on the home page, and good, isn't it? Very, very exciting. We're growing faster and faster every day. I want to thank all my Rumblers, particularly my subscribers. The subscribers are like members on YouTube, and they get extra perks and benefits just like my members do. Wow, look at this. Look at my portfolio. Started at $5,000 2.5 years ago, and we're at $80,530. I can't believe it. Let's go through all our positions and see what's going on. How high can this, well, obviously, 10 years from now, it can double, right? But this is incredible. The lesson to be learned here is always stay in the market. Know what you're buying, understand what you're buying, stay invested, understand that the market's always overbuy and always oversell. So don't be concerned about any price movement. Don't buy on the way up. Just buy when things crash. That's it. When you get a dip on the S&P of a couple of percent, you just buy more. That's it. That's it. Very, very straightforward. And remember, the stocks you bought a year ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, they're compounding with your dividends every month. And you can't go wrong with that. Remember, it's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Let's have a look. Have you ever considered doing your show shirtless? Brad Thompson. No, I actually have never considered that. I guess that would belong on OnlyFans, and this is not OnlyFans. I don't think anybody wants to see me sit here topless. I don't know what sort of show that would be. I don't think anybody wants that, Brad. PACB may have a pump position, people buying 60,000 shares at a time. Just watched it. Chris Schultz, thank you for the information. No, I bought in at 3,145. I bought 2 shares at ETC. Take profits. Yep, it's going. PACB. Let's have a look. PACB, we just did a review on it for you. Wide Point, we did that as well. Nvidia, and Nvidia is flying as well. Luminar, PACB. There you go. There you go, up 6%. I just did a review on PACB. Let's see if we are ranking for it. Most of the stocks that we do, small caps, we rank for very quickly. I need a follow-up, though. If anybody wants me to do any of your favorite stocks today, if you want a follow-up, news, if you want me to promote a stock, remember, I'm not pumping a stock. I don't own a stock. I only own the S&P. But if you want me to make a video on your behalf, a super chat, I'll do it for you. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. PACB stock. Let's have a look. Let's see if I rank for it. We only did it 7 days ago, and we've only done one video. So, no, we don't rank for it yet. A second video, we probably would. Low resistance sells to big buy-ins. He already wears no pants. Look at Tilray. It's going up now. When you mentioned it's $40 stock. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, it's a $40 stock. It is. I have a question. If trading bigger people, now what am I buying? Okay. Let me do some updates. Have I got any links for YouTube? Let's have a look. Links for YouTube. Yes, I do. Hell of a birthday gift. The schedule holds. John Granfor, Boeing. Right. So what I'm going to do, I think we need a few quick videos here. So I'm not sure which ones you want me to cover. So links for YouTube on Discord. If you've got any of the stocks that you've got any news for that you want me to do, send it in now. So we're looking at Pacific Biosciences, up today 8%. It's a massive rally on this one. If you want me to cover it, send me some information and I will. Nikola, Fisker, what else have we got? Virgin Galactic, any of your favorite stocks, send links for YouTube. I'm looking out now and seeing what I've got. And I will put that out. Just thinking, where do we go next? Amazon, Next Era Energy, Enphase, Coca-Cola, good, J&J. Can we do Mobix earnings? Mobix earnings, let's have a look. You can request as a member. Let's have a look. MOBIX. Mobix Labs. Mobix earnings available May the 14th. So let's have a look. If you want to request an earnings, you as a member, what you do is you do a super chat, and then I will work late in the evening and do after hours for you. So yes, if you'd like, if members only can do this, but if you want to super chat me to stay on late, excuse me, and do the Mobix earnings. It is first come, first serve. April the 14th is available at the moment after hours. So the first person who takes April the 14th after hours will get it. So yeah, if you want to, you can super chat it and I will absolutely do it. We'll work late, we'll promote it, we'll do all the videos and stuff like that around it. Yes, we will. It's entirely up to you. It's available if you want to book it in. Jay Long, yes. How do I join Discord? Poor Protectors. Discord provides scalp trading for free. We have a guy who does scalp trading all day, every day, helps people. He's paid to learn the skill and now trains you for free and also gives you all the information, plus many other things, stock news, crypto news. You can share links for the show. However, Poor Protectors, it is a member's perk. You're not a member of our channel. If you want to become a member, you can become a member of this channel for a couple of bucks. There is the link. How to become a member. And if you want to, we're also on the 12-hour a day. We're live here behind the scenes on the extra channel. And this is a members only channel. It's only 99 cents. We do it that way. I don't want millions of subscribers. I don't want to make loads of money. I want to make it just for members. It's there to help people so they get real information, accurate information, no trolls, no bots, no scammers. This is it live right now. And when we end the show, this is where we go. So people can ask each other questions, they can support each other, they can find out facts, information, and it's always members only. And it's only 99 cents to get in here. But you can see everyone's a member, and the purpose of this is it's, accurate, useful, a positive environment. And the only way of doing that is making it members only. So I can't make it any cheaper than 99 cents a year, 99 cents a month. So that's how I do that to provide that best quality service. All right. And if you want the extra channel, here is the extra channel. All right. You should do a segment called News That Moves with ML. Now, I did that for a while, and I might try it again. People actually, some people liked it, some didn't. We did it for a while. We did a breakdown of the news every morning. I might try it again. So I'll tell you what, on Monday, I will do the news of the day again. I'll try it again. We did it for a while. Some people liked it, some people didn't. But I will do it again, and let's see if you like it. All right. So I always listen to your suggestions, and I will take that on board. Vincent Vosberg, you're a very active supporter of my channel, a great member. You super chat me. You ask for reviews.
J Long donated $1.99 through a super chat. Mobix earning, please.
Mobix, okay, let's book it in. We've got a super chat here. Remember, super chats are whatever you want to pay. There's no price. I don't make it more expensive for one person or cheap for somebody else. You donate what's right for you. I think that's very fair, isn't it? So here we go. We got Mobix. MOBX. May 14th. That date might change, however. It's not given a confirmed link, but that's what it says here. Available May 14th after hours. So May 14th after hours. And this is for J Long. J Long, it's booked in. You will have the Mobix earnings. That will promote the stock, of course. We'll cover it. I'll make videos promoting it and all the rest of it. So there you go. May the 14th. It's booked in. Let me scroll down there. Right. I'll do Mobix earnings for you. I'll do Mobix earnings for you right now. To the moon. I love it. I love it. Get lots of good feedback on Discord. It is great. Get lots of good feedback on Discord. It is great. And funny. Yes, Discord is doing very, very well. PK from the UK is on Discord. My troll buddy is also on Discord. Are they in our channel? Here's the Discord link. Are they in our channel? In our server? Alert, Trump to make major announcement next week. What could that be? What could the major announcement be, Popper Pal? Let me know. What would that be? Well, we could post news in Discord to cover. Yep, stock news, links for YouTube, absolutely. Good on you, Jay. Yep, that's all done. Talking to Mark Saxby last week, bringing me to advise is it MSK, which is in the S&P and making the cortisone. Sorry, Zach, I don't understand the comment. Could you rephrase that, please? NVTS is May the 9th. NVTS is May the 9th. May the 9th, we have, at the moment, we haven't decided which one we're doing yet. We've got a few suggestions. But Vincent Vosberg, NVTS, if you... I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. Anyway. Yes, Paul and Raman. The last major announcement turned out to be he was releasing a new set of NFTs. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I remember that. Vice President announcement. That makes sense. That makes sense. Wow, look at the portfolio go today. Look at this, folks. Wow, we are up big. 80,624. Flipping heck. Wow. For a Friday? Very, very good. Very good. All right. Right. Vincent Vosberg, if possible, thank you. I'm glad you didn't say it's a booked one. If possible, because it might not be possible. All right. NVTS.
Vincent Vosberg donated $5 through a super chat. NVTS earnings if possible.
If possible. That's the best I can say at this point. I will try. I've got several inquiries for this one, but I'll try. If we can get Sensei to double up, perhaps. It's after hours when he can do it, so we'll see. May the 9th. I can't confirm that one, but I will do my best to make it so. We've got Soundhound, which is very popular. IonQ, which is not as popular. Funware as well. We're not requested yet. And FFIE, probably no point doing that. And now yours, NVTS. It's a chance we can do it, because if Sensei can do the second one, it's possible. Anyway, yes, Paul and Raman. The last major announcement, yeah, that's right, NFTs. Vice President makes sense. I'm up 12% in IonQ. Seth, fantastic. What are you going to do now? SNDL, that's the one. It's all good. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Vincent. And I want to thank you, Vincent. You are one of our top supporters. Vincent Vosberg does lots of super chats and super thanks on videos. Asks for reviews. Is a member for 2 months. Fantastic support. Thank you. Right. Michael N. A review for Pineapple Energy when you get a chance. All right. Let's put it down. Pineapple Energy, that will be second behind Vincent. Let me do it here. EPGY. Pineapple.
Michael N donated £8 through a super chat. A review for Pineapple Energy FG when you get a chance, please.
Thank you. You are second on the list. Thank you very much indeed. Matt said, I cannot ask Sensei any more questions because he's trying to plan a wedding. And for a man, that is life or death planning and moment. So he has to focus. That's very true. That is very, very true. Yeah, leave him alone. That's funny. Right, let me have a look. This is insane. I never in my wildest dreams, I've never seen $80,000 in my life. That's the richest I've ever been in my entire life. It's quite something when you see it all pan out like this, isn't it? Stay invested, work hard, never give up, always in. Just subbed on Twitch. Oh, that was Michael N. That was earlier. Sorry, I got all excited then. That was from earlier. Right, let me have a look. Where was I? I was reading a comment from earlier. Sorry about that. I all shouted out. Didn't mean to do that. Right, best last 9 days of Sensei's... Yeah. Mike. Right. Virgin Galactic down. Coming back up again. Palantir up. Gold up. The S&P up. The S&P is up 1% today. Blimey. So it's not showing actually how much I'm up by, but I'm actually up a lot more than it actually says. The chart is wrong. I'm probably up something like, it's very hard to really see actually. I'm probably up by about $600. It's just the chart is out of line. It's out of calibration. That's what I mean to say. Apple. Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla, Rivian, doing well today, McDonald's, Google. It's not really sold off much. It's not gone any higher, but it's I would expect it to go higher, though. Now it's providing dividends. It's going to do well here. Microsoft. Yeah. See, it just shows you all the big news is NVIDIA. That's what's going up. So what's happening? This makes perfect sense. This makes perfect sense. Microsoft did really well. Google did really well, which means NVIDIA will do really well on the earnings. It's given a signal. It's given a signal for the earnings. Now, of course, the earnings for NVIDIA isn't until May 22nd. We absolutely want to cover that. Let me write that down. I don't know if I've got that written down yet. Yes, NVIDIA. But of course, again, priced to perfection. Expecting a beat on that, and there's every reason why they would, isn't there, really? But we did have a sell-off last week because of when the war started 2 weeks ago, when the war started with Iran, and now that looks like it's filtering out. So, and NVIDIA have interest in Israel, remember? So we got that drop, and now it's coming back. So even though it's rallying today, and you think, okay, it's overbought, it's only getting back its gains from a few weeks ago. So actually, like a month ago, actually, it's just getting back to where it was. And really, it should be beating this. So we've got probably a lot left in NVIDIA. Some are predicting $1,000, which means the S&P is going to go through the flipping roof. Anyway, just bear that in mind. It's a big part of the S&P. Stacey, I'm just seeing your comments. Yeah, I like it. Yesterday I checked and ML was only YouTube on Mobix, so I super like the videos. Yesterday I checked and Martyn Lucas was the only YouTube on Mobix, so I super liked the videos. Yeah, if you what you did was, you super thanked. You super thank the videos. It promotes it. Because basically what happens is if you like a video and you comment underneath and you do a super thanks, essentially what happens is YouTube get a bit of commission out of super chat, super thanks, whatever. And so it stands to reason, there's no evidence to support it, but it stands to reason that they will promote the video because they make more money, right?
Brick Mark has become a member. 3 months to go. Hi, family.
3 months to go. And he will be 2 years. And Brick Mark, you will then be in the VIP club for the in-person meetups and everything else. Yeah, I look forward to that. Nice one. She says she likes playing whack-a-mole with Martin's head. That is my sector. Chips and AI. Let's go. 3 months to go. Hi, family. There you go. That's right. Whoa, look at it go. Folks, I can't believe it. Just shows you, doesn't it? Stay invested. Could we hit 8? I mean, it's but bonkers, isn't it? Just stay invested. Don't ever sell your shares. Just keep redeeming those dividends. Don't reinvest the dividends, of course, manually. Do it. Don't do it automatically. Do it manually. That's the best way of doing it. Palantir, gold. Have we got any? I'm trying to take it easy today because I'm not feeling very well. That's why I'm not, not doing much today. I'm just here, just turning up basically. I'm just turning up, not really here. Rollo Tomasi. Rollo Tomasi has just come into Discord, as has Jack. Rollo Tomasi, is this you on Rollo Tomasi? Are you here? Rollo Tomasi, are you here on this on Rumble? Because you are Rollo Tomasi is a subscriber on this on Rumble, so he can get upgraded on Discord. All right. Anyway, my friends on Discord, that gives good feedback. What, Rollo Tomasi, Jack 2003? They can't see anything though. This is what I'm showing you. Look. They're not members. They can't see any of the channels. See, look. These new members have just joined here. Rollo Tomasi, Jack 2003. They haven't got any membership status because they have to be either a YouTube member, a premium member on Discord, or they can be a member on they can be a subscriber on Rumble, and then I upgrade them. But I need to know who they are first before I can do that, right? That give good feedback. Raman ROK, that's kind of you, Raman. Oh, they should be members. Yes, if they're members on YouTube or premium members on Discord or Rumble subscribers, that's the same as a member, then we can upgrade them. Anyway, in the next few years, you need to be dating commodities, making sure you marry energy and take out gold, silver once in a while on a hot date. Hugo Christian, what's all that about? In a few years, you need to be dating commodities and taking gold and silver out on a hot date. What's all that about? I'm not sure I understand what that's all about. Anyway, I'm going to send my guess on. I'm not feeling very well today, guys. That's why I'm struggling now. So I'm just going to send them the message. Discord. This server is for Discord subscribers or members of Martyn Lucas Investor Channel on YouTube. Right, I'm going to add this. I'm going to upgrade this message. Or Rumble subscribers only. So this server is for Discord subscribers or members of Martyn Lucas Investor on YouTube. Or, hang on a minute. Let's do this properly. This server is for Discord subscribers members of Martyn Lucas Investor Channel on YouTube, or Rumble subscribers only. If you are not either of these, no channels are viewable. Also, I can only accept friend requests from either YouTube members or Discord YouTube members, Rumble subscribers, or Discord subscribers. Please confirm you are a YouTube member so I can YouTube member or Rumble subscriber. I'm updating this comment that I put out to people.
Vincent Fosberg donated $5 through a super chat. Get a cold buster from Starbucks.
That's what I'll do. That sounds good. End the show in a minute. Go to Starbucks. Oh, yeah, get a nice cake as well. Yeah, I might get a cake as well. Thank you, Vincent. I like it. Thank you. Thank you very much. I like that idea. Thank you. Right. This server is for Discord subscribers, members of Martyn members of Martyn Lucas Investor Channel on YouTube, or Rumble subscribers only. If you are not either of these, no channels are viewable until I upgrade you. Okay. Also, I can only accept friend requests from either YouTube members, Rumble subscribers, or Discord subscribers. Okay. Right. Please confirm you are a YouTube member or a Rumble subscriber so I can accept and upgrade you. To do this, share your Discord username in YouTube chat. In YouTube chat or in YouTube chat or Rumble chat or in a comment to any video on the YouTube channel. There you go. Thank you for more information. There you go. So I think that explains it. This survey is for Discord subscribers, members of Martyn Lucas Investor Channel on YouTube, or Rumble subscribers only. If you're not either of these, no channels are viewable until I upgrade you. Also, I can only accept friend requests from either YouTube members, Rumble subscribers, or Discord subscribers. Please confirm you are a YouTube member or Rumble subscriber so I can accept and upgrade you. To do this, share your Discord username in YouTube chat or Rumble chat or in a comment to any video on the YouTube channel only. Thank you. For more information, there's the video. Right, brilliant. I'm now going to share this to those people that are just joining me on okay, so let's do this now. Just bear with me a sec. I'm just doing a bit of admin. Just doing a bit of admin. Okay, there's one. Just bear with me a couple of minutes. I'm just doing this. Okay. I'll share with you what I'm doing just so you can see what I'm doing. These are people that have joined the server, but they don't see anything because they're not members, all right? So I have to message them to tell them the deal, and they know. And if they don't want to do it, then they don't have to do it. But this way, I'm doing it this way now because I don't want bots, scammers, and trolls on our server, because I want our server to be a really useful place, and I don't just want millions of people using it, and it just becomes a mess for those that use it. I want it to be the best service, because if I just opened it up to everybody, then we'd have millions of people using it, but it would be terrible. People would just be, spamming and doing all sorts of stuff, and we don't want that. So this is the only way I can do it. Think of doing it. I'm just messaging everybody. These are maybe a lot of nice people that they just don't know how it works. So if I tell everybody, then they know, right? Some of the names I recognize. I think they are YouTube members who have watched a video. They've got onto Discord, and they don't see anything. And then, wait, are you a human? Yes. And then some people don't accept messages, you see, so you can't even contact them anyway, and that's fine. Oh, I'm sending too many messages now. All right. Okay. It does that after a while. So let's see how far up the list I got. Said you're sending too many messages. When you sent like 6. Okay. I got as far as there. So now I know how far I got up the list, and I can continue from there later when it lets me send more messages. Right. I got as far as there. Okay. Thanks for your time. Thank you, Vincent. I'm going to go and do that now. All right. So I'm going to get off. I'm not feeling very good. The paradigm has shifted. We're in a new regime. We're in a new regime. What does that mean? In the next few years, We're in a new regime. Mike S. Hi, Martin. Get a lemsip down your head. Love the video on NVEX. Thank you. Hi, Martin. Get a lemsip down your head. Love the video on NVEX. Looks like it's trying to break down $6 today. Thank you for that. I'm glad you enjoyed it. You can have a review of your own if you want to start, become a member of the channel. Raman, I hope you also bought SMCI during the dip at the beginning of the week. Super microcomputer. Yes. All right. Now, I'm sure everyone has made some major gains today. So I want to do day trade of the day. I'm gonna get off because I'm feeling like really rubbish. Let me just check my emails, see if I've got an email from Asti yet about the CEO being on the show. Let's have a look. No emails from them today. Okay. Okay. So let's do it. I didn't get any emails. Let's do day trader of the day. So first thing we're going to do is at the end of the today's show. I'm sorry I'm not on it today. I'm just feeling like rubbish. I'm trying my best. I'm here. I'm suited and booted. I'm just feeling like rubbish. Let me redirect everyone. Right, redirect you to the show. This is the 12-hour stream. Hopefully soon, I'll be able to do this for my Rumble audience as well, the extra channel. Once I've earned a bit more money from Rumble, I will be able to... Rollo Tomasi. There he is. Rollo Tomasi. Hey, Martin. Yes, it's me. Somehow got booted from Discord. Martin, get some... Yes. Rollo Tomasi. I need you to put your username, please, in the chat so I know it's you. I can upgrade you. Because you got booted because I only accept now members. That's why you got booted. It's called kick. You got kicked from the server because you are not a member. I can see a username. Is this you? Just confirm. I've got here Rollo Tomasi _26466. Is this you? If this is you, I'm going to give you a membership to our channel because you are a subscriber on my you are a subscriber on Rumble. You are a very valued member. This is Rumble premium user and subscriber. See it here, folks? This means he's like a member. This is going to be a big moment. This is our very first, premium member on Discord from Rumble. So I want Rollo Tomasi to get a really nice welcome. If everyone could welcome Rollo Tomasi. Once Rollo Tomasi confirms in the chat, yes, he has 2646. That is him. Now I can go back over to here. Would everybody please jump in Discord? This is our very first member from Rumble. Thanks, Crag, for getting me on Rumble. Is Crag still here? We are now growing on Rumble. I'm now earning about $1.50 a day, which is better than I was on YouTube at the time, which is nice. So let me go over to Discord. There is Rollo Tomasi. I've confirmed it's him. He's got the same name. This is our very first member of the channel that is a member, a subscriber, which is the same as a member on Rumble. My brain is just not working. Right. Oh, hang on a minute. There's someone at the door. It could be Spectrum. Stay right there. Okay, yes, that was Spectrum. So I'm going to end the show now. So Rollo Tomasi, I've given you a membership. You can send me a friend request now if you want to Martyn Lucas. That way I can accept it as well. So make sure that you do that. Let me give you my username. Please spell it correctly because other people will try to scam you. There is my username. There are many people called Martyn Lucas 1 and 2 and 3 and all the rest of it. All right, that's my username. If you send me a friend request, I will accept it. So you can now see in Discord. Where is it? Where am I going again? Yeah. You can now see, you are now a member, so you can now see all the channels. And if you can scroll down here, you got Sensei's tips, Ed Nevis's trading tips every day. You can send links for YouTube, so stocks you want me to cover, videos you want me to make, stuff like that. Ask the family, welcome all. And if you go into the welcome all, it's down here. There you go, Rollo Tomasi. Hi, peeps. There you go. Could everybody jump in, please, to the welcome channel? Welcome, Rollo Tomasi. He's our very first member from Rumble. He's a subscriber, and a subscriber is a paid member. It's like a member on YouTube. All right, so it's exactly the same. So there you go. If everybody could please give him a welcome, that would be great. That's it. Right, I've got to get out of here. I've really got to go because the Spectrum guy is waiting outside. So I'm going to have to run. I'm going to send everybody now to the extra channel. I'll see you back shortly. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption. If I do lose signal, you understand. I may lose my internet. Jump into the extra channel. I'll see you back in a bit. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourself, your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye for now.